Plica semilunaris. The plica semilunaris is a small, fold-like structure located in the inner corner of the human eye. It's a remnant of the nictitating membrane, also known as the third eyelid, which is present in many animals but not fully developed in humans. Throughout evolution, as humans adapted to different environments and lifestyles, the need for a nictitating membrane decreased. This is likely due to changes in behavior and the development of tools for protection. Over time, the plica semilunaris became less prominent in human anatomy, essentially being lost as it no longer served a crucial function in our day-to-day lives. Auricular muscles. While some individuals possess the quirky ability to wiggle their ears like a cat or a dog, the truth is, our ear movements have dwindled over eons of evolution. In our distant past, our ancestors likely had more mobile ears, a relic of which remains in the form of vestigial auricular muscles. These muscles have now lost much of their functionality and are considered vestigial. Now, when we hear a sound, we typically don't instinctively swivel their ears toward sound sources anymore. Instead, we rely on turning our entire heads to pinpoint the origin of a sound. Wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth, also known as third molars, are the last set of molars to emerge in the back corners of the mouth. It is believed to be due to evolutionary changes in diet and jaw size. Primitive humans had larger jaws and ate tougher, more fibrous foods, which required additional chewing power provided by the extra molars. Over time, diets shifted to softer, cooked foods, so human jaws became smaller, and there was less space available for wisdom teeth to properly emerge. Additionally, advancements in oral hygiene and dental care have contributed to changes in the structure of human jaws, further reducing the need for wisdom teeth. As a result, many people today either have impacted or misaligned wisdom teeth, leading to complications such as pain, infection, and crowding of surrounding teeth. Male nipples. Male nipples are anatomical structures found on the chest of males that are similar in appearance to female nipples. They develop in the womb before sexual differentiation occurs, meaning all embryos start with them, regardless of eventual sex. However, in males they typically don't serve a functional purpose related to lactation and breastfeeding, unlike in females. From an evolutionary perspective, male nipples are considered unnecessary because males do not produce milk or nurse offspring. They are a vestigial trait, meaning they are remnants of evolutionary adaptations that were once functional in ancestral species, but have lost their original purpose over time. Essentially, male nipples persist because they do not significantly affect reproductive fitness and are not actively selected against by natural selection. Flat feet. Early humans likely had flat feet. As they evolved and started walking upright, the arches in their feet developed to better support their body weight and provide more efficient locomotion. This adaptation helped distribute weight more evenly across the foot and provided better shock absorption while walking and running. The development of arches in the feet also coincided with changes in the structure of the leg bones and pelvis, all contributing to more efficient bipedal movement. This is one reason why a gorilla cannot run the way we can, since they don't have double arches in their feet, tend to be flatter. Erector Pili muscles. These tiny muscles are attached to hair follicles and contract involuntarily in response to various stimuli, such as cold or fear, causing the hairs to stand on end, a phenomenon commonly known as goosebumps. As for why they seem less prominent in humans compared to some other mammals, it's believed to be related to evolution. In our evolutionary history, when our ancestors had more body hair, the contraction of these muscles would have helped trap air and provide insulation. However, as humans evolved and developed other means of regulating body temperature, such as clothing and shelter, the need for thick body hair decreased. Over time, the selective pressure on maintaining large, visible erector Pili muscles likely diminished, leading to their reduced prominence in humans compared to other mammals. Appendix. The appendix is thought to be a vestigial organ, meaning it likely served a purpose in our evolutionary past, but is no longer essential for survival. While its exact function in humans isn't fully understood, it's believed to have played a role in digesting tough plant materials in our ancestors. However, as human diets evolved, the need for the appendix diminished. Despite being unnecessary for survival, the appendix can still cause health issues such as appendicitis, which may require surgical removal. Coccyx. The coccyx, also known as the tailbone, is actually a remnant of our evolutionary past. Over time, as humans evolved, the need for a tail diminished, but the coccyx remained as a vestigial structure. While it may seem unnecessary now, it still serves as an attachment point for various muscles, tendons, and ligaments in the pelvic area. Additionally, it provides some support when sitting. Though not vital for survival, it's a part of our anatomy that has persisted through evolution. Pyramidalis muscle. The pyramidalis muscle, though small and often overlooked, is a fascinating anatomical feature nestled within the human abdomen. Found in the lower abdomen, just above the pubic symphysis, this triangular muscle is known for its unique structure and function. Unlike many other muscles in the body, the pyramidalis muscle is variable in its presence, with some individuals lacking it altogether. Even when present, it tends to be small and inconspicuous. While its exact function remains somewhat enigmatic, it is believed to play a role in stabilizing the linea alba, a fibrous structure that runs vertically down the abdomen. Its presence in modern humans is considered a vestigial trait, meaning it's a remnant from our evolutionary past that no longer serves a crucial purpose. Plantaris muscle. The plantaris muscle is often considered unnecessary in humans because it has little functional significance compared to other muscles. It's a small, thin muscle located in the back of the lower leg and is thought to be a remnant of our evolutionary past when it played a more significant role, possibly in gripping or climbing. However, over time, as humans evolved to walk and run more upright, the need for the plantaris muscle diminished. Today, it's often used in surgical procedures as a source of tendon grafts rather than for its original function.